Every single day, thousands of people lose their hard-earned money to fake job scams. And the worst part? Most of them never saw it coming. Today, I'm going to give you 3 red flags that will expose any work-from-home scam in literally 5 seconds flat. Stick around, because this information could save you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars. Let's set the scene. You're scrolling through your phone at midnight, half asleep, when suddenly a message pops up. Congratulations, you've been selected for an exclusive remote position. Earn $500 a day from your couch. Your eyes light up, your heart races, your brain whispers, finally. And that right there, that's exactly where the trap begins. Red flag number 1. They contact you first, out of nowhere. Legitimate companies don't slide into your DMs on WhatsApp, Telegram, or Instagram with surprise job offers. Real hiring processes involve applications, resumes, and interviews. Not random messages from strangers who somehow found your profile and think you're perfect for this role. If a company reaches out to you without you ever applying, treat it like a stranger offering you candy from a van. Smile politely. Walk away, quickly. The golden rule is simple. If you didn't apply for it, be suspicious of it. Real opportunities don't fall out of the sky and land directly in your inbox with a bow on top. Red flag number 2. They ask you to pay money to get the job. This is the big one, the classic, the scam so old it has a pension plan. You get the job, you're excited, and then surprise, you need to pay for your training kit, your starter package, your background check, or some mysterious registration fee. Once you pay, you either never hear from them again, or they keep asking for more money under new excuses. Here's the truth carved in stone. A real employer pays you. You do not pay them. Ever. Full stop. No exceptions. If someone is asking for money before you've earned a single dollar, you're not getting a job. You're getting robbed in slow motion. And speaking of things that actually pay off, let me take a quick second to talk about something genuinely useful. If you're serious about protecting yourself and your family from scams, financial fraud, and identity theft, you should check out the book Scam Me If You Can by Frank Abagnale. Yes, the guy they made the movie Catch Me If You Can about. This man literally invented the con, went to prison, and then spent decades teaching the FBI how to catch fraudsters. The link is in the description below. Think of it as hiring the world's greatest criminal as your personal security consultant, except way cheaper and totally legal. Grab it on Amazon and let the original scammer teach you how to never get scammed again. You're welcome. Now back to protecting your wallet. Red flag number 3. The job description makes absolutely no sense. Fake job postings are gloriously vague. They say things like, be your own boss, flexible hours, no experience needed, unlimited earning potential. But ask them what you'll actually be doing. Suddenly it's all, just help us promote our products, or onboard new team members, which is just a fancy way of saying you're about to become a recruiter in a pyramid scheme. Any legitimate job can be described in clear, specific terms: accountant, graphic designer, customer support agent. If the job description sounds like it was written by someone who ate a motivational poster for breakfast and washed it down with vague promises, run. Here's your 5-second checklist. Did they contact you out of nowhere? Did they ask for money up front? Does the job description sound like a horoscope written by a used car salesman? If you answered yes to any of those, congratulations, you just saved yourself from a scam. Share this video with someone you love before they learn this lesson the hard way. And seriously, check that book link in the description. Knowledge is the only scam-proof armor you've got. Stay sharp, stay skeptical, and stay paid. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.